If you're looking to create an effective email funnel with Mailchimp, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps of creating an email funnel that will engage your audience, boost conversions, and automate your email marketing, all using Mailchimp. Stick around to the end because I'll share a few advanced tips and an exclusive offer that you don't want to miss. The first thing you'll want to do is define your goals. Without a clear goal in mind, your email funnel won't be as effective. Are you looking to nurture leads, onboard new customers, or promote a product or service? Whatever it is, setting a clear, specific goal will guide your content and the structure of your funnel. Next thing, you'll need to set up your audience in Mailchimp. Before diving into creating the funnel itself, you should have a well-organized list of contacts. In Mailchimp, you can segment your audience based on factors like past purchases, engagement, or interests. Proper segmentation ensures that the right messages go to the right people at the right time. Now, let's talk about creating a welcome email. This is usually the first email in your funnel and should provide value right away. A good welcome email should introduce your brand, explain what they can expect from your emails, and include a clear call to action, like a link to a free resource, discount, or a lead magnet. Make this email personal, engaging, and value-driven. The fourth thing you want to do is create automated follow-up emails. After the welcome email, you need to keep the engagement going. Mailchimp allows you to set up automation for a series of emails that are triggered based on specific actions like opening an email or clicking a link. These follow-up emails should be spaced out logically and designed to nurture your leads, keeping them engaged and moving closer to conversion. Next thing is to add some personalization. Personalizing your emails goes beyond just including the recipient's name. With Mailchimp, you can personalize emails by using merge tags to include things like their last purchase, location, or other behaviors. This makes your emails feel more tailored to the individual, which can increase engagement and conversions. Next, we need to focus on testing and optimization. Mailchimp has built in the testing features that let you test different subject lines, images, or calls to action to see which performs best. Make sure you're always testing and tweaking your emails to improve results. A good email funnel is never static, it's always evolving. Lastly, track your results. Once your email funnel is live, Mailchimp's reporting tools will give you detailed insights into open rates, click rates, and more. Use this data to refine your strategy, adjust your content, and improve your overall funnel performance. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to create an effective email funnel with Mailchimp. Remember, it's all about planning, segmentation, automation, personalization, testing, and refining. If you're ready to get started, check out the first link below for a completely free trial of Mailchimp, along with some exclusive bonuses to help you make the most out of the software. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take advantage of the extended free trial available through the link below, only for a limited time.